It's Sunday and I just got out of shower. That's why I look like this. And I decided to make Maddie's top today, right now. So yeah, no makeup or whatsoever. But my skin looks really clean on the camera, which is not in real life, but with all these lightings and all, I look all right. Anyway, so I did my nails yesterday, inspired by Sydney Sweeney's nails on episode 2, I think. Was it episode 1? I think it was 2. Yeah, it's really pretty. So this top that Matt is wearing, you can get it from eBay. I'll link it down below, but it was all sold out, obviously. So I decided to make one. So I ordered this similar looking top and a bunch of safety pins with different sizes. So first I need to cut out that part to create that design. But when I see the photo, I can see there's no gap between like these two lines. So I think they just cut this line and connected these two parts with safety pins, which was possible because this top was made out of rib knit. So it doesn't have to be sewn on the cutout edges like here. But the top that I got is made out of cotton. So if I just cut like this, I need to sew the edges. First, I draw a curved line with disappearing pen, then cut the line. Then I marked where I'm going to fold and sew. Then I fold it once and sew it. And make sure you sew the bottom of the cut so it properly stops the end of the cut. And sew the other line as well. Then it'll look like this. To make beaded pins, you have to remove the head of the pin first. Then you can customize your pin with different beads. Then put the head back on and close the gap and make sure it's not moving. And you can also add charms of your choice. I have this angel charm, so I used O-ring to connect it with the end of the safety pin like so. Then there you have your own beaded charm safety pin. I made 10 pins with different sizes and charms. I played around with these to see how they look all together and pin them like so. So I used every charms I have. This one is a wing, golden angel, Chanel number 5. And this one I just connected all the rings together. My initial and another angel, but in silver. These marks will be gone by tomorrow. It's a disappearing pen.